Shower system installation instruction. These are the inlet and outlet dimensions for different valve core positions. This is the valve's depth. This is the height dimension from the valve core to the ground. Please ensure that the built-in lever is properly balanced. Make marks. Drill anchors into the wall. Lock the main body. Standard connections. Attention! Wrap the Teflon tape for at least 12 turns to prevent leaks. Flush the 2 inlet pipes for 2 minutes to avoid blockage before connecting them to the valve. Recommended pipe replacement. Calibration 1. Align the 2 lines on the valve core. Calibration 2. Positioning ring A, temperature adjustment knob B, button facing upward, and the 38 degrees Celsius per 100 degrees Fahrenheit direction on the panel are all vertically aligned. Pressure test. Leakage test. Attention! When cutting tiles, ensure that the size of the cut does not exceed the dimensions of the trim. Dimensions of the trim. Install the diverter control knobs. Rainfall shower installation. Please ensure that the built-in lever is properly balanced. Remove the roof spray nozzle. Fixed frame. Please ensure that the built-in lever is properly balanced. Fixed screw. Connect the inlet pipe and test the water flow. Attention! Wrap the Teflon tape for at least 12 turns to prevent leaks. Connect the overhead sprayer to the Wi-Fi controller and secure it with electrical tape. Connect the power supply. Test the waters. Fix top spray and panel. 6. Rainfall shower installation. Attention! Wrap the Teflon tape for at least 12 turns to prevent leaks. Use a wrench wrapped in tape to rotate the side sprayer into the wall. Connect the shower arm to the shower head. Handheld shower installation. Use the Allen key under the shower holder and turn it counterclockwise to remove the brass piece. Use Allen key to turn clockwise to connect the shower bracket and the brass parts. Install the shower hose and handheld shower head.